In this video, we will review how to add an office in Account Hub. So from the Location Manager, you'll select Manage Locations. Next, you'll select Add Location. And from here, this is where you're going to fill out all of the company information. We already have one location that has already been added to this list. So as you add additional location, this list will grow. Now, if you need to search for any location that have already been added, you can search by either even or the name of the company. There's also an edit button here that I will select, so you can kind of see what a finished location looks like once it's been filled out. Once you fill out all of the company information, you would then select Save All at the bottom or Continue the bank application. At the top, what's important to note that you will need later if you're using the web-based cloud software is the customer ID. This will be used when you add the location inside of the cloud software. But after the company has been successfully added, I would then go to Manage Banking from there. Now here's where I can choose which bank I would like to work with and then complete the enrollment record for that particular location. Each of these different fields are red, meaning they have not been completed yet. But once you complete them and you select Save at the bottom, they will turn green. The first tab is the bank info. That is the routing and account for the bank account for deposits. Wherever the preparation fee needs to be deposited, that's what information needs to be included on this enrollment record. Another tab that can be important is the Service Bureau Fees tab. If you were going to add a Service Bureau fee for this location, under the Service Bureau Fee field, just simply type the number. If that ERO would like to add a document prep fee, just add the number they would like. This document prep fee rolls in with the prep fee, though this is not for Service Bureau. So wherever the ERO's preparation fees are deposited, the document prep fee falls. And then finally, the transmission fee. So whatever number you're going to add on top of the designated transmission fee, let's say it's a minimum of 6, you would just need to add those figures together. And that's all dependent on what agreements you have in place with your reps. So you'll need to get with them to see exactly how that works. So you have a little bit of addition there. Something unique to Santa Barbara TPG is they have a check administration fee where you can select to add additional fees for printing checks, but you can opt out of that if you'd like. So once all of these fields are complete and saved, you can hit save individually or save and continue, and it takes you to the next tab, and they will all become green at that point. Once you're done, you can hit lock and submit the application. You will then get a notification that it has been submitted. If there is an update, if it's pending, it'll show pending. If it's been approved, it'll show here under Manage Banking for each of your locations. And that's all you have to do to add a location in Account Hub. However, you may want to also add a Taxes to Go branded app for that location. So if you go back to Manage Locations and then select the cell phone icon for Taxes to Go for that particular location, and then from there, you have the option to add a logo. So if you have the file on your computer, you can upload it here. You can edit the business name so it shows both the name of the business with the logo that you upload. You can have the business name by itself if you don't have a logo, Or if you check this box, you have the option to only show the logo. And then from there, you can choose which color theme you would like for the brand. So whatever color branding that office has, they can choose something that corresponds with their branding. When you'd like to save, go ahead and click save, and then the link for that particular location displays. You can provide that to the office, and they can distribute it out to their tax preparers and the taxpayers alike. They can also post it on their social media if they'd like. As long as the taxpayer clicks this link, they follow the process to download the version of the app for that particular location. And that concludes the overview of how to add a location in Account Hub.